Yesterday we do some questions of chapter statistics, and today we will also do some other questions for revision of chapter 14 statistics. Now on last turn we do it 4 questions. Now today we will also do it some questions. Question 1. Question 1. Find mean by assumed mean method. Class interval, frequency 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44, 45 to 49, 50 to 54, 55 to 59, 14, 22, 16, 6, 5, 3 and 4. So change this inclusive series into exclusive series by subtracting 0.5 from lower limit and adding 0.5 in upper limit. So it will be exclusive series for 24.5 to 29.5, adding 0.5 in upper limit, subtracting 0.5 from lower limit, 29.5 to 34.5, 34.5 to 39.5, 39.5 to 44.5, 44.5 to 49.5, 49.5 to 54.5 and 54.5 to 59.5. Find out the xi mid value of each class. 24.5, 29.5, it become 54, half of it is 27. It is 64, half is 32, it is 37, 42, 47, 52 and it is 57. Assume it, let A is equal to 42. Find out di, that is xi minus a. 27 minus 42 minus 15, 32 minus 42 minus 10, 37 minus 42 minus 10, 42 minus 42 10, 47 minus 42 5, 52 minus 42 10, 57 minus 42 15. Now multiply fi di. Fi, that is 14 into minus 15, 210, 22 into minus 10, minus 220, 16 into minus 10, sorry, it will be minus 5, 16 into minus 5, that is minus 80, 6 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, 3 10s are 30, 15 4s are 60. it will be 0 minus 510 less 10 minus 5 is 5, 10 minus 1 is 9, and 4 minus 1 is 3, minus 395. And mean is equal to A plus sigma Fi di upon sigma Fi. A is 42, frequency 70, 4 to 6, 6, 6, 12, 12, 6, 18, 5, 23 and 7, 30, 3, 1, 4 to 6, 1, 7, 42 minus 395 upon 70, 5 14 ja, 5 7 ja 35, 4 5 9 ja 45, 79, 14, 14 5 ja 70, 14 6 ja 84, 14 4 ja 56. So 42 minus 5.64, minus it, 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 6 3, 11 minus 5 6, 36.36. See the second question. Find the missing frequency. Age in year and number of person median is 24, less than 140, age in years, number of person zero to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. Given that 5, 15, F, 18, 7. Find out CF. 5, 5 plus 15, 20, 20 plus F, 20 plus F and adding 18, so it will be 38 plus F, adding 7, it will be 45 plus F. So median, that is given to you 24, so it will be lies in this class. So median class is 20 to 30, lower limit is 20, frequency is F, CF is 20 and H is 10. Median is equal to L plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. median is given to you 24, L is 20, N by 2. Total frequency is 45 plus F. So you will write 45 plus F upon 2 minus CF. CF is 20 into H is 10, frequency is F. Now 20 take on this side, 2 is the LCM, 45 plus F, 1 2 is 2, 2 20 is 40 upon F into 10. 4 is equal to 45 minus 40, that is 5 plus F upon 2F into 10. 2 5 ja 4 is equal to 5 plus F into 5 upon F. Now multiply this side, it will be 4F CF is taken as only 20. L median is 24, L is 20, N by 2, 45 plus F by 2, CF is 20, F is F, and H is 10. So it will be 25 plus 5F, 5 15 F 18 33 30 50 ठीक है 20 20 प्लस 20 20 38 ठीक तो है यार 4F minus 5F become ठीक तो है minus F is equal to 25, F is minus 25. By mistake it is median is given to you 26, not 24, it is 26. Write it here 26. It is 6, 26, median is 26. 6F minus F, F is 25. So this is the answer. Now see, you will do the homework question. Class zero to 20, total is given mean is, if mean is 50, find F1 and F2. Second question, find P if median is 14.4, class interval, frequency 0 to 6, 6 to 12, 12 to 18, 18 to 24 and 24 to 30. Given that 4 P 5 6 1, you will solve it and check that its answer will be 4. Its answers will be F1 is 28, F2 is 24. Thank you.